Can't help you steal or secretly extract someone's private email from Twitter or any platform. That'd be privacy invasion and could break laws or platform rules. Not cool, not allowed. Good news though, there are legit, respectful ways to get in touch with someone. And a lot of time, they work way better than creepy hacks. Below, or in this video, excuse me, I will show you exactly how to get someone's email from Twitter. So check first of all their profile, okay? Their profile or X profile. Many creators or companies list their contact info in their bio under the contact business button. Look for @handle or a website URL, email somewhere here. Visit the website in their bio. Open the link in their bio. Okay. And once you open the link in their profile, look for contact, about, press, or work with me pages. Companies and creators usually put a dedicated business email or contact information from there. Look for pinned tweets or look at pinned tweets or link collections. People often pin tweet with contact or booking detail details or a link to a Linktree beacons page that contains an email, right? DM them politely on Twitter. If their DMs are open, just go ahead and hit their DMs at the tab and ask them like, hey, can I get a business email to send a quick proposal? If DMs are closed, try a short public mention, okay? Use LinkedIn or company staff pages. Search their name or brand. Companies often list PR or sales emails on their site or LinkedIn profiles. Ask mutual friends. If you share followers or mutuals, ask someone you both trust to introduce you. Warm intros work way better. Use verified professional tools ethically. Services like Hunter or Clearbit or Snow.io can sometimes find publicly available business emails. Use them only for legitimate outreach and respect. Do not contact requests. Don't use these tools to harass or spam. Okay, so don't scrape private data or use hacked leaks. That's illegal and toxic. Don't spam. One polite outreach, one follow-up is fine. Anything more is harassment. If someone asks you not to contact them, stop. Respect boundaries. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.